driving our GT1 cars, it pretty much has just ruined every other driving experience for me, period. They have 850 horsepower to the rear wheels, a sequential transmission. When you're going around corners, you have to relax your body, because if you fight it the whole time, you're going to be one sore motherfucker.
You're nervous until the first lap. So you have a lot of just anxiety, or a little bit of anxiety and some excitement. You're thinking about all things. You're thinking about the slowest car, the slowest class in your group. Knowing that you're going to pass that car 80 to 100 miles an hour faster than they're going.
Always pray, hope and pray that everyone gets through the race, gets there safely. Nobody wants to come do this as a hobby and go home affected by one race the rest of their life. That'd be my biggest fear.